As you can see, my mobile showing charging icon after plug-in charger. So I can change this icon from here. So I can change also icon from here. This is Anis. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your charging animations. So before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update, and if you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. For customizing your charging icon, first of all you need to download one apps. Go to Play Store and search for batteries charging animations, and here's the first one is battery charging animations skin. Then click here to download. I already downloaded. Then I open and it will open, then continue. As you can see here is showing how much charge I have. It's 51%, and battery temperature and battery health. Then start, and you can change animations and charging skin, and also you can set alarm. Click the set animations, and first of all you need to turn on charging animations. Then select your desired charging icon. Here is the one, first of all charging. Then I plug, as you can see showing icon. Then change from here. As you can see, here's the lots of free charging icons. It's very funny. Then you can change animation size, medium to large. Then you can change animation opacity, but I take to max. And you can rotate animation, as you can see 180-degree almost. And so you can set bottom side, left, top, then right side, but it is okay to be on bottoms. Then, and you can set also charging skin when you plug in charger, then skin displaying these informations. And here's lots of themes here like that. So just turn on. As you can see, when I plug in, as you can see charging animation showing here, then also information here. So pretty much that's all about today, and if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next.